Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about grapes, and I have a list of specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to pair well with grapes. So if you're looking for some new recipe, meal, menu ideas, something a little different to do with grapes, hopefully this will help you out. Combine grapes with apples, bulgur, and lemon. Grapes with balsamic vinegar and ricotta cheese. Grapes with cream cheese and ginger. Grapes with endive and walnuts. Grapes with feta cheese, hazelnuts, and salad greens. Grapes with feta cheese, lentils, and mint. How about grapes with lemon and sugar? I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.